The cable guide holds the mower's control cables to the handle so they don't snag on shrubs or fences. If the guide snags against something, it can be broken. Replacing the cable guide is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
The cable guide is located on the side of the handle and is easy to replace. First, I'll remove the old one from the handle. It's split in the middle to remove the cables. Now I can install the new cable guide. I'll spread it open to slide it around the cables and insert the pin in the hole in the handle. And that's it. And that's how simple it is to install a new cable guide on your lawnmower. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.